Hi guys, welcome back to another video. About to do a tune-up on this Z, and by now most of you should know what kind of Z it is. Yeah, tune-up, math, little odds and ends. Give it an inspection tomorrow. Make sure everything's good. But other than that, that's what it is. Z3 coupe. Well, Z3, which comes in soft or hard top, convertible. Later on, probably throw hard top on it. So, but yeah, let me get to it. So those of you working on the Z3 Bmw for the first time, changing coils, pull up on this split, plug comes out. 2 10 mil bolts, comes right out. Forgot to state it in the beginning. Alright, I figured I'll show you guys the last one. Alright, already took the 2 bolts out. So, pull up on this split. Plug the harness, and this comes right out. Pop the spark plug. Right here. Just make sure you put them back in place. You shut it down. Sounds a lot better than yesterday. So that's another video, guys. A little instructional, quick and easy, doing plugs, coils on a BMW Z3 Roadster. All right, you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, let me know anything I missed. I don't think I did, but hey, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. All right, appreciate it always. Remember, merch is always available. Hit me up, help support the channel, and keep those views climbing so we can hit our mark. Try and get out there. All right, catch y'all next one.